Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Bitcoin on Cash App. Full guide. Guys, we're diving into buying Bitcoin and sending it as payment to another wallet, making it super easy to shop or send crypto. Let's get started. First, open Cash App on your phone. I'm assuming your account's verified with ID and a linked bank or debit card, as Bitcoin transactions require this. Check your balance on the home screen. Mine's at $5. But yours might be different. If you need funds, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, go to Linked Banks under Account and Settings, and add a payment method like a debit card or bank account. Back on the home page, tap the dollar amount in the bottom left. It's the Money tab. Select Add Cash, enter an amount, say $20, and confirm with your PIN or Face ID to load your account. This ensures you've got enough to buy Bitcoin. Now let's buy Bitcoin. From the Money tab, tap Bitcoin. It's got that wavy line icon. Scroll down and hit Buy. You'll see preset amounts like $10 or $50, or tap the three dots to enter a custom amount. I'll go with $4 for this demo. Review the purchase details, including Cash App's fees, which are usually 1 to 2%. Tap Confirm to add the Bitcoin to your Cash App wallet. It's instant, so you'll see it in your balance right away. To pay with Bitcoin, you'll send it to someone's wallet. In the Bitcoin section, tap the paper airplane icon, then select Send Bitcoin. Check the BTC available at the top. For $4, it might show 0.0001 BTC. Enter the amount you want to send, matching it to the payment needed. Next, paste the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address, a long string of letters and numbers, into the To field. Unique tip. If the recipient provides a QR code, scan it with Cash App's camera to avoid typing errors, as wrong addresses can't be undone. Select the wallet address, hit Next, and pick a transfer speed. Standard is free but takes up to 24 hours. Priority is faster but has a small fee. You might need to verify your ID with a driver's license or selfie if prompted. Review the confirmation page, then tap Send to complete the payment. If the transaction fails, ensure the wallet address is exact or check your internet connection. Contact Cash App support via the app's help section if needed. That's how you pay with Bitcoin. By the way, if you're looking for a better way to send and spend money alongside your Bitcoin payments, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. It's one of the easiest ways to move money internationally or within the US. And it often beats banks and other services on fees and exchange rates. Right now, there's an exclusive offer. Sign up with the link below, and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with zero fees. Creating an account is 100% free and takes just minutes. So if you want to save money every time you send or spend, click the link in the description and grab your free $800 transfer today.